So now we're at the corner of Flamboyant and Cemetery Lane, which is the main drag to the main road, the highway. And the traffic is picking up now. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. And a yellow bus is gonna go past. He honked for me. Those buses are great. They're fast, they're privately owned, and they're also known as reggae buses. I've got to watch where I'm going here. I'm crossing the street. And at a crosswalk. Oh wow. Hi. That's a tricky job. This is the view from the beach club. That's why we like coming here. And people leave their chairs for an hour, go for a walk, go for a swim, and then come back. I like it because I can come back and get a shower. So it's a lovely respite when you don't feel like being on the beach, having sand, all those kinds of things. I should also add that there's an outdoor shower right at the entrance, and you can enter the beach club from the ocean side with a fob with the magic card, and then you have to rinse off here under the freshwater showers, which is wonderful because it gets all the salt water off of you, the sand, everything. Here we are. We've got 2 shower heads and also faucets for the feet. There we go. Let's show you even closer up now. A great facility, and as I said, it's a great perk. It comes with rentals in the Sunset Club now, or Sunset Crest area. Now, some people who own little condos or townhomes here, they live here 6 months a year, like a second home. They have access to this as well as part of their living in the area, and they pay an annual fee, I believe, to access these facilities. So in this area we've got a handicapped family washroom, which is really handy. You can use it to change and go to the washroom. And now I'm back towards the front entrance coming from the street. This is where we enter during the day and where we have to sign in. That's the office for the attendant, a notice board, and then we've got the washrooms, which have full showers and bathroom in it. So it's a lovely, lovely facility. Magnificent, peaceful night. The wind has died down. It's a beautiful, peaceful evening. The exit to the ocean side, and I've got my card with me in case I need to ever get back in. I love this time of day. It's quiet. People have gone home, getting ready for dinner. It's a magical time. Paul Owens at the beach house. A tent style. It's actually very nicely done. Beach house restaurant. And they are literally right on the ocean. You can hear the whistling frogs coming out. Take one more look at the sunset. It's so beautiful. Now we're coming up to a very upscale restaurant, the Tides.